Hi guys, Colin from Fil-Am Brothers here, and today we'll be making Bibingka, like a Filipino cake type thing. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna need 2 eggs. Once you have your 2 eggs, you're gonna have some coconut milk or coconut mixture or whatever you guys have. You're gonna beat that up. You're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Beat it up some more. Now we're just going to add our Bibingka mixture. Now we're just going to mix it around till it gets nice and battery. So after we keep mixing this, we'll be back. Alright, now guys, the mixture is about done. We're going to add this to the pan, and we're going to put this in the oven. And this is what it should come out to look like if you guys want to add some cheese or some apples or whatever kind of stuff, coconut shavings, anything you guys want to the top. So we're just going to add this mixture into the pans after we stop mixing it. Go into the pan. Yeah, add it to this one. Hope it'll be nice and moist. The color should come out very good. So now we're just going to throw this in the oven. See you there. Now we're just going to put them in the oven, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, now it looks like the Bibingka is done cooking, so we're just going to take it out of the oven real quick. And we're about to check it out. Alright guys, now we're just going to add some cheese. Top it off. Cheese just gives a point extra to whatever you're making. Makes a 9 to 10. So that will conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna flip it onto a plate, and we'll be right back.
Look at that, guys.
Alright guys, now that both of them are done, we just added some cheese, and I think it's about time to slice it. So let's do it. Wow.
Cheese.
More cheese on there. Yum. Oh. Wow, that looks good. I can't wait to dig in.